Hello world, I'm back, baby. This is my GTI Mark V. It's been over 9 months since I've had it on the road. This is the first day I've driven it. I've just got it back. I'm so happy. Let me open up. I'll show you some new things real quick. I blew the engine. That's the easy way of saying it. I warped the head, and most people walk away from their vehicle. I don't. I chose to save it. When I get home, I'm going to change this, the front grille up there. I got a new one at home. I'll do a video on that. I'll show you some new stuff we got here. Okay, we had the engine completely rebuilt. I have all racing internals. So basically, I do have Gulf R pistons, which are better than the GTI, so they're the stronger ones. I have racing push rods, racing connectors, and titanium springs. So that's what's inside. Okay. And I got a whole new intake system from Unitron. Or this is New Speed. This is New Speed, that's right. My charge pipe is from Unitronic, I believe. Yeah, this is New Speed. It was right here. So this is a whole new intake system. Remember I had the forged one that went down and onto the ground? So this has been all replaced. It's also got the relocation kit for the diverter valve. If you look here, that's the diverter valve. Much more easier to service right up here. Because on the Mark V, it used to be way up under the engine. You had to put the car in a lift to get your diverter valve. So now it's right here. Okay, we got rid of the sound pipe, which that would go into here. That's, remember, basically the Mark V made a special little pipe just for sound so you could hear the turbo inside. That's been removed. So this is also the, I believe, we also have a turbo charge pipe. Okay, now here's the thing that we're realizing. Okay, the turbo charge pipe is connected directly to my front mounted intercooler. I have the twintercooler system that Ford used to call it, the twin cooler or twintercooler, where you utilize your stock intercooler and the front mounted intercooler. It's not a good setup because you should see the hose, it splits down there in 2 different ways. And it's not a good, let me see if I can do that down there. You'll see that it splits in 2 different ways. If you go down in there a little bit, if you can see it under there. But it comes off in 2, because you're utilizing both. So what we're going to do is I'm going to totally disattach the stock intercooler, so it will actually not be functioning. And I'm getting a New Speed front mount intercooler with the heat treatment on it. It's black, it's cool. Because bigger is not necessarily better in this situation. You want immediate charge air, you want fast charged air. So the front mount's going to be right here. It's really thick. So it's going to be like thicker instead of being, it's going to be like thick. And it's going to get a more immediate cool air to the engine, and you're not going to split or divide the air. So what's happening is on heavy loads, like if I go 100%, which I'm not supposed to now, I'm supposed to break in the engine, by the way. It's like a brand new engine, so I'm getting, you can see all the green right here. So they kept my my catch can system. Okay, that's good. But everything else that needed to be replaced, I got a brand new radiator. I have, I got a turbocharge kit, so that's what makes it more strong as well. I never had the turbocharge pipe, so I got that now as well. You'll see some various things in there. I got a new oil cooler. Actually, that might have been the whole culprit. The oil cooler stopped working, and that's what warped the head. The oil got boiling hot, and it didn't. And you should have seen it was a mess. So that's the other reason why the hose isn't sticking on too for the forged one, is that it got swollen from the oil flowing through there and water and sludge and stuff. They cleaned all that out, and it's been 8 months in the running here. So when I get home, I'm taking this part off, and I got a brand new one to put in. So to make it look sharp. But they detailed the car pretty good. So that's my GTI Mark V back on the road again. I will show you when I get the new front grille on, it's going to look a lot better. But they detailed it so it looks nice. I am so happy to be back on the road. More to follow. I'm going to show the grill later. So that's what's happening.